In this Wix website builder tutorial, let's take a look at how to add your business location information. So if we get to the site that we want to add that into and we go to the dashboard, on the left-hand side of the dashboard, we'll find settings. Inside of here, find business info. And inside of business info, we can add a bunch of stuff, but if we scroll down, we have location and contact info. You can also add a second location if you want. So within here, you can actually search for your business address. Let me see if I can just find a Lowe's or something random, right? I'm going to click this Lowe's Extreme Air Sports, and we're going to click on that. And so you can see that once it fills in, or you fill in all this information manually, it's going to actually even pull up a map image here. And so all the location stuff is filled in for this one location. You can add multiple locations if you want to. But from there, you can click Save in the upper right-hand corner. So we're going to save that. And what this does is it allows you to easily pull in location information on any sort of business page on your site. So if you wanted to have a map of showing where your business is, like an about page of your business, there's widgets and things that can pull in that information real easily here on Wix. And so this is the information it would utilize to show that quickly on your website. And that's how you can add your business location here on Wix.